I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down.
3, 2, 1, go!
Man, what's up? Man, I'm up now.
No bucks.
I was trying to sleep, but Squid got the joint blasting. But he driving, so he gotta stay up. So I guess, but I gotta sleep at pure silence. So
that's crazy.
I tell y'all, bro, this guy behind the lens is one funny guy. I'm trying to tell you, I thought I was funny.
What you talking about, bro?
Bro, you.
I don't know what you talking about.
Last 30 minutes.
All right, we get enough camera time for you. I don't know what you talking about.
Blessings on top of blessings. Shout out to Jay Shooter, man.
You said this what get you, bro?
Blessings on blessings. This what hard work gets you. This right here what hard work gets you.
So 222, man, what y'all know about angel numbers, dog? Okay. So this is my bro, right? So we are born on the same day, 3 years apart, February 22nd. Same day. So he was born on my third birthday, 222. That's crazy. My birthday is February 22nd.
It's a white jump right
Probably
there.
that. It's probably that right there.
That's it.
Yeah, it's that, bro.
Get it.
That shit was in the way like a hard ass crumb.
You good now, cousin.
Set right now. Well, not set, well, we in the field. Gun range day. Iraq veteran. You know what I'm saying? 88, shout out to Iraq veteran. 88, man. Appreciate the opportunity, appreciate, you know what I'm saying? We out here with the dogs for you, bro.
Jay the Shooter. We got Jay the Shooter out here, man. My man called us all the way out here to Livonia, Georgia. Don't know where I'm at. Right. But we out here.
I'm gonna stand back a little bit.
Like shit. I won't catch no tail salad.
Everybody ready? On the line?
Shoot it myself.
Everybody ready?
I shoot it myself.
We're gonna count it down.
Yeah. I shoot it myself.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, nigga. I shoot it myself. I shoot it myself. Fuck you, tell me, nigga. I shoot it myself. I shoot it myself. Oh, fuck you saying, nigga. I shoot it myself.
Listen, I thought that shit all up too. I wasn't ready for that. I was like, yeah. Them over there, prime camera over there. Nice to meet you, Canada. Nice to meet you.
Here's another topic I'm addressing, so learn a quick lesson about your Smith & Wesson.
We out here with 222 Productions with the 350 Legend 9mm.
It used to be a dog like Lassie, but now in 91, it's a gun if you ask me. Just like a Jimmy hat's used for protection, I use my 9 when suckers start to flex. Cause if you run up and try to play mine, I'd rather have an AK than a fucking K9. Cause if you shot your gun and my dog tried to fetch her, me and the dog's going out on a stretcher. And I ain't with that, so I gotta get that big black cat. Aim and I hit that, forget about a dog, fool. He'll shit in the den nowadays. A cat is man's best friend.
Dude, that thing's like ripping the frame apart.
Right, open up your brain.
God. Where is that hit?
It's coming.
Oh, pardon me, sorry.
You know what it looked like?
Fallujah.
Hey, everybody came on this side. Oh!
Shit, once I saw that reaction, I was like, let me see what's going on.
Yeah, bro, yeah, man, it's crazy. I knew it was more.